Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Pay Balance. This is a convenient way to make purchases on Amazon using the balance you've added to your account, making checkout faster and more streamlined. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. This will give you access to all your account features, including your Amazon Pay Balance. After logging in, you'll want to find something to purchase. Navigate to the top search bar and type in your desired product. This search bar is your gateway to Amazon's vast catalog, so feel free to search for whatever you need. Once you hit enter, Amazon will display a list of products that match your search. Take your time browsing through the results until you find exactly what you're looking for. When you've found the right product, click on it to open the product page. On the product page, you'll see various options depending on what you're buying. Select your preferred color or other available options like size. These customization options ensure you get exactly what you want, so make sure to choose carefully before moving forward. Now look over to the right panel where you'll find the quantity selector. Click on it to select how many units of the product you want to purchase. This is particularly useful if you're buying multiple items at once. After setting the quantity, it's time to move forward with your purchase. In that same right panel, click the Buy Now button. This action will take you directly to the checkout process, bypassing the cart and speeding up your purchase. Next, you'll need to click Proceed to Checkout. This button confirms that you're ready to finalize your purchase and takes you to the payment selection page. Here's where your Amazon Pay Balance comes into play. On the payment page, select Amazon Pay Balance as your payment method. This option allows you to use the funds you've previously added to your Amazon account, making the transaction quick and secure. Finally, click Place Order to complete your purchase. This confirms all your selections and processes the payment using your Amazon Pay Balance. Your order will be placed and you'll receive a confirmation shortly. And that's it. You've successfully used your Amazon Pay Balance to make a purchase on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.